my vlog. This morning we're headed down to Liverpool. We're making our way. We just called an Uber and we're making our way to Euston train station. The cab is already here. Morning. All right, on our way to the station. That's a Euston station, by the way, here in London, and the train ride is about 2.5 hours away, I think. So hopefully we'll be there before 8 or at 8 o'clock. We're at the station now. Well, close to the station now. So making our way there. And our train is not till about 5:30. Alright, we're inside the Euston station. We're just waiting around till about 5:30 to get our train. That's it. Very quiet today. There's hardly any people around. But then again, it's about 4:30 in the morning here in London, and making our way to Liverpool in it's about a 2.5 hour to 3 hour train ride. Right, ready to board our train at platform 15. We are here at platform 15. Our train is here. That's it. We're ready to go. All right. Alright. Hey. Yan mga kapatid, walang katao-tao sa train. Papunta kaming Liverpool. From London, it's about 3 hour train ride to our destination. Yan.
6.5 hours later.
Alright, so we had to go change our train. Hopefully we can get on a quicker one. Yeah, we had to change the train. Their underground station. We're going to try to make it to central Liverpool. There's city center, so yeah, we're gonna get on the next train now. Alright, we got our next train to Central Liverpool, and hopefully, I don't know how many stops, 2 stops? Yeah. Alright, so it's 2 stops, we should be there quick. Malapit na kami doon. Chong Chang, ngayon, malapit na kami. We're here. Alright, mga Chong, mga Chang, andito na po tayo sa Liverpool. Napuntahan lang namin ito para pumasyal sa pinakasikat na fast food chain sa atin sa Pinas. So we thought we'd come here and check it out para makita natin from with our own eyes. So anyways, andito na po kami. And ito na po siya sa Liverpool, the birthplace of the Beatles. Ayan, birthplace of the Beatles. So dito na po tayo. This is the second branch that will be opening up, and hopefully we'll be here for the grand opening, which will be soon. Hindi ko pwede sabihin sana which will be soon. So ito na po siya. Ayan. Ayan, the famous restaurant, Jollibee. Ito po yung Liverpool city. It's about 3 hours train ride. 3 hours train ride po siya from what do you call that? From London. So nakapasyal po kami ngayon dito. Medyo maulan. So okay na rin po, at least nakadalaw man lang. We were here siguro, I think it was 7 years ago. Dito kami, pero wala pang Jollibee noon. But dito sa likod ko, meron na finally second branch dito sa UK, and hopefully more branches to come. Just decided to make take you guys on a tour of Liverpool and what Liverpool has to offer. Ito yung pinaka-central po nila pag city center. So lots of shopping, lots of restaurants, lots of brand name clothing stores. Yan po. Nasa Liverpool po tayo. Ayan. But hopefully we can continue to see or take you more on a tour of Liverpool. There's plenty of sights to see. So hopefully makarating din tayo. That's it.
I was falling through the air. No one but myself to hold my hand. Standing in the shadows of where we have been. Sleeping with your back facing me. I know this isn't us. Baby, pull me closer, let's fall in love. Oh, I can feel my body move to every move you make, and I can feel the tension every time we're close. I know whatever happens, I will have you next to me. 'Cause tonight we have it all. We're dancing as one. 'Cause we're dancing as one. 'Cause we're dancing as one. 'Cause we're dancing as one. We've been in 2 places all at once. Was that what we said would come undone? Feels like our minds minds have been turned off. Haven't seen each other for so long. I know this isn't us. Baby, pull me closer, let's fall in love. Oh, I can feel my body move to every move you make, and I can feel the tension every time we're close. I know whatever happens, I will have you next to me. 'Cause tonight we have it all. 'Cause we're dancing as one. 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 You and me are moving. Make sure we get through this. Let's just keep on dancing as one. You and me are moving. Make sure we get through this. Let's just keep on dancing as one. 'Cause we're dancing as one. 'Cause we're dancing as one. 'Cause we're dancing as one. No one but myself to hold my hand. Standing in the shadows of what we have been. Sleeping with your back facing me. I know this isn't us. Baby, pull me closer, let's fall in love. Oh, I can feel my body move to every move you make, and I can feel the tension every time we're close. I know whatever happens, I will have you next to me. Tonight we have it all. 'Cause we're dancing as one. 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 We've been into places all at once. Wish that what we said would come undone. Feels like our minds have been turned off. Haven't seen
Liverpool today. Want to get something to eat before we head back to London, but we are starving, man. We are so famished. Sobrang gutom na gutom. So we decided to order Mexican meal today. Ayun, Mexican meal po. See what do we have here? We have the, what is this again?
It is a prawn fajita parrilla.
Ayan, prawn fajita.
Parrilla.
Aurelia. And what do you have here?
I got the steak and chicken.
Steak and chicken. Kuno.
Ribeye steak and chicken.
Wow, ribeye steak. Sana all. Ayan. Tapos, siyempre, it comes with tortillas. 4 flour tortillas. And we ordered some cocktail. Watermelon.
Takiri.
That's it. Alright, we're gonna chow down before we head back home. It was a long day. Here we are. Yun. Ayan, sibugan na mga chong, mga cheng. Sibugan na. Ayan. Look at all this. It's crazy. I'm so starving.